So, Tracy, what's the current state for Qatari gas shipments to the UAE?
Yeah, well, this is an important question, Sherry. The people we've been speaking to here on the ground in the Gulf assure us that as of now, Qatari gas is still flowing relatively smoothly to the UAE and also Oman. And that's important because, of course, there is this big pipeline that's operated by Dolphin Energy that pumps about 2 billion cubic feet of natural gas every single day, which is pretty amazing. Now, is there a chance that the gas could get shut off at some point? Well, probably, but there is a big factor that helps insulate the UAE in particular from the risk, and that's the fact that Dolphin Energy, the operator of the pipeline, is 51% owned by Mubadala, Abu Dhabi's big sovereign wealth fund, and the rest of it is owned by Total and Occidental Petroleum. But of course, we've seen natural gas used over the years by Qatar as a tool, an instrument of statecraft. So we'll have to watch this one and see how it plays out.
Yeah. So that could arguably play into the wider discussion about why the United Arab Emirates hasn't banned shipping completely when it comes to Qatar.
Yeah, Yusuf, it's a good point. The obvious answer is, of course, they're rather reliant on Qatari gas. They want the gas coming in, especially ahead of the hot summer season. It's important to note as well that a lot of UAE industrial activity actually relies on natural gas for firing. Smelting, for instance, is heavily reliant on natural gas. And indeed, over the past day, we've seen the Abu Dhabi Port Authority, for instance, actually easing some of the curbs it had put on against transports in the Gulf Sea. That's an interesting one. Why are they doing that? Well, again, we're seeing a lot of vessels encounter logistical problems. No one wants their ships to be losing money because they're stuck at sea. Yusuf, Sherry?